I'm Alex, Monaco Real Estate, and this is your guide to doing a final walkthrough before closing on your next home. So you're all excited, you're ready to go, you got your mortgage commitment, the house appraised, you did your inspection, ready to sign on that dotted line and take ownership of this home. But before you do, you need to do one last final check to make sure that it's still in the same condition as it was at the time of the inspection, aside from any repairs that were supposed to be made. So what you need to do with your real estate agent is walk through the home, check absolutely everything. You need to look for signs of water leakage or mold or any new smells or sights that weren't there before. You need to check the heat and air conditioning. Check for any plumbing issues. Run all the hot water in the home. Flush all the toilets. Check for leaks. Anything at all that's out of the ordinary. Inside and outside. Do a lap around the house. Make sure there's no trash or garbage, anything like that that's still laying around. The sellers need to take care of that stuff. So you really just want to be diligent, because once you sign the papers, that's really it. It's your house and there's not much you can do to change it. Now, you should have a list from your attorney of what was agreed to be done after the inspections. Maybe the sellers agreed to fix a leak, or they agreed to fix something that was broken or not working. Whatever it may be, check to make sure that it was done, because even though you agreed, if you do the final walkthrough and you sign off that you're happy with the condition of the house, it doesn't matter. You lose that right. So it's your responsibility to check the home, make sure that everything is good and you're happy and you're ready to move in. Congratulations, it's now your home.